Uh, Hi guys, this is Masika. Kindly welcome to my channel. At the moment, I'm in Kisumu. I was contacted by a client of mine from Kisirani area in Kisumu, and I have already come with materials ready to install, already cut, and only to install. So kindly guys, I want to take you through first of all, this is Masika. My channel name is a pigeon aluminium, but I'm called Geoffrey Masika now, so I go by the name pigeon aluminium. So for those who have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel so as to get more of this kind of videos. So I'm going to take you through, guys, on the few processes that I have prepared this evening. Remember, I've just come from Nairobi. I came from Nairobi from around 4 a.m. and now I've been coming slowly because I had some things that I was carrying. I was afraid that maybe if I rush, I could spoil them. To be precise enough, this is around 2 p.m. East African time. So please, guys, I have laid foundation for the materials. I want to show you the code. So these are the materials, guys, as you see them. I want to install them. I want to join them together, as you see them. These are the materials. I want to install them at the moment. So guys, these are the frames. This is the fixed frame. This one is the fixed frame. I'm going to lay it on the wall, to mount it on the wall. Fixed frame. These are the sliding panels. I think you can see them. These are the sliding panels. Then this one is the this one is again a fixed frame, as you can see it. Has already been worked on from Nairobi. It is ready to be installed. This again a fixed frame, ready to be installed again. Look at it, guys. Ready to install them, and I believe that we're going to be together even as I do so. These are my machines, as you can see them. They are my machines. I want to use them to install these windows. Remember, the aluminium window consists of a sliding panel and a fixed frame. The fixed frame, when I say fixed frame, I mean an area that does not slide, but it is on the same window. The top part of it is the one that's going to slide. So I'll take you through even as I start. These are the glasses. I carried them from Nairobi in my car. So you can see them. My glasses. I want to install them to the panels. These are more glasses here. More glasses are here, as you can see, ready to be put into the frame. This is my boot where I carry them, but don't worry. So guys, I want to start mounting them on the wall as I take you through process by process. So kindly welcome. Remember, I was contacted by this client after watching me working on Marwa's doors. So she called me and we talked over the phone. She sent me her money, and now I have come to deliver as we had agreed on the phone. He sent me even the measurements. So guys, these are the panels. We are ready to start now joining them together. So thank you with us. God be with me even as I take you through. Thank you so much.